Hello everyone, welcome to InfyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting problem from algebra. So let's get started. Our denominators cannot be 0, cannot be 0, cannot be 0. So we'll write here our x cannot be equal to 0, cannot be negative 5, cannot be negative 10, cannot be negative 15, negative 20, negative 25 up to negative 50. Now we are going to find the difference between the product of denominator brackets. If I will write here, it is x plus 5 times x in the denominator. We'll find x plus 5 minus x value. This will be equal to 5. Here we have x plus 5 times x plus 10. So x plus 10 minus x plus 5 plus x minus x will get over. 10 minus 5 is 5. We are getting 5 once again. Now if I will find x plus 15 minus x plus 10, again we are going to get 5. And for the last bracket, if I will find x plus 50 minus x plus 45, we are going to get 5 once again. So we have to multiply our equation by 5. So 5 will get multiplied with the numerators 1 and it will be 5 everywhere. We will write 5 over x times x plus 5 plus 5 over x plus 5 times x plus 10 plus, and if I will write last term, then we have to write 5 over x plus 45 times x plus 50, and in right hand side we have 5 over 60, which will be equal to 1 over 12. Now we have 5 in the numerators. We will write 5, x plus 5 minus x. In denominator we have product of both. For the second term, 5 can be written as the difference between the brackets which are in the denominator, x plus 10 minus x plus 5. Denominator we have product of both, x plus 5 times x plus 10. Similarly, for the last term, we'll write numerator 5, x plus 50 minus x plus 45 over x plus 45 times x plus 50 equal to 1 over 12. Now we will split numerators with respect to denominators. So x plus 5 over x times x plus 5, we have to write 1 over x minus x over x times x plus 5, we will get 1 over x plus 5 plus x plus 10 over x plus 5 times x plus 10, 1 over x plus 5 minus x plus 5 over x plus 5 times x plus 10, 1 over x plus 10. Then we'll get plus 1 over x plus 15 and so on. Last term would be 1 over x plus 45 minus 1 over x plus 50 equal to 1 over 12. Now we can cancel terms from left hand side. We have minus 1 over x plus 5. We have plus 1 over x plus 5. It will get over. Minus 1 over x plus 10 with plus 1 over x plus 10. Similarly, minus 1 over x plus 45 with plus 1 over x plus 45. So we have 1 over x and minus 1 over x plus 50 left in the LHS. So I can write 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 50 equal to 1 over 12. Now we will take LCM. So we can write x plus 50 minus x over x times x plus 50 equal to 1 over 12 plus x minus x will get cancelled out. We will write 50 over x times x plus 50 equal to 1 over 12. Now we will cross multiply. So 1 with x times x plus 50 and 50 with 12. We will write x times x plus 50 will be equal to 50 times 12, which will be equal to 600. Now we have to expand LHS. X square plus 50x equal to 600. Now this is one quadratic equation. I can use completing the square method. We have 50 as a coefficient of x. Half of 50 is 25. Square of 25 is 625, which we will add both sides of the equation. Now LHS will give us one perfect square of x plus 25. And in right hand side we will get 600 plus 625, 1225. Now we know that this is a square of 35. So we will write 35 square. To find the value of x, we need to take square root both sides. So we will write square root x plus 25 whole square equal to plus minus sign square root of 35 square. We'll cancel square root with a square from both the sides. We will get x plus 25 equal to plus minus 35. Now we'll subtract 25 from both the sides. So we'll write here minus 25 in RHS also. Plus 25 minus 25 will get over. We will write here x in LHS, and in RHS we will write minus 25 plus 35, and second solution would be minus 25 minus 35. Minus 25 plus 35 is 10. So our first real solution would be x equal to 10. Minus 25 minus 35 will be minus 60. So we have two real roots or solution of this equation, x equal to 10, x equal to minus 60. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.